So today we are on PCIM Fair in Nuremberg, and we are now on a Microchip stand. Microchip is showing today E-Fuse demo, and my question to Microchip, which issues and challenges has or seeing the customers do you think?
Yeah, so over the years in EVs, electric vehicles, customers are using fuses, relays, and contactors. And so they're older technology and there's a lot of reliability issues with that technology. And at Microchip, we developed an alternative to relays and contactors that'll increase the reliability of their system, especially with the migration to the higher voltages, to these 800 volt systems. Safety and circuit protection is a bigger priority.
Which benefits do you see on this Microchip solution?
So because it's a solid state design, it's a resettable design, so it doesn't need to be serviced. So when vehicle designers are packaging this in the vehicle, they don't need to accommodate it to be serviced. So it makes it easier for package, and you don't have to worry about service. The other benefit is the fast response time. With a typical application, like we're using a fuse and a relay, if there's a short circuit, that current will rise up very quickly to 10 or 20,000 amps.
Yep.
With this solution, you get a very fast response time. And if I can quickly demo this solution here, I have a demo where I can introduce a short circuit. And what happens is the current will rise up very quickly. And you can see the slope here, and rises up to 10,000 amps, maybe to the ceiling. With this approach, it can respond within a microsecond, limiting that peak current, protecting the downstream wiring and downstream loads from the very high currents.
Okay, thank you. The second question, this solution is available in 6 variants from 400 up to 800 volt for battery systems, right?
That's right. So we offer it for both 400 volt and 800 volt battery systems in different current ratings, 10, 20, and 30 amps. Okay. We also have all the design files available online. We provide the Altium PCB layout and schematic, build materials, the user's guide, and the software, all available online. And we now, as we announced on Wednesday, or on Tuesday, we announced the availability of this design. So customers interested in getting physical hardware of this E-Fuse Demonstrator board, we can make that available for them to help jumpstart their developments.
Okay, if customer wants to start, how can you help the customer to evaluate this system or his designs?
Yeah, so we have the circuit boards available for them. We can assist them in setting it up in their system and knowing how to use it. It's a configurable design. One of the benefits, because Microchip has a wide range of technologies, analog, digital, power, connectivity, we have the complete solution for this application.
Okay, thank you very much, Ihab.
You're welcome. Thank you.